Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Psychopotics. In today's video, we're gonna be going over the XENO, the first CAD for XENO this year, and it's pretty Sigma. Um, it's also kind of weird, but well, hopefully it works. We're starting to build it right now, but I'm gonna go over it. So starting off the drivetrain, 6 motor, blue cartridge, 1:1 ratio. Full 600 RPM on 2.75-inch wheels. So we got like about, I think, 7 or 8 feet a second. Pretty comfy. Um, the only you would say is run to a problem with getting over the um the park zones. But we have these compy little gliders, or I don't know why they're called gliders, but these sleds. Um, I'm not the cat or chat. I'm just that guy. And they kind of literally just push us over it. So we just back up into it, and since our robot would be back heavy, these two wheels would lean over. We tested this with like our drivetrain originally, and it worked. So we're hoping it will work on the final bot, but we're gonna see. And then this robot also might be illegal because of our plastic pieces, but we're not gonna talk about that. Then we have odometry wheels for Auton, because I'm the programmer, so I beg for these. We got them, chat. Might be taking 4 plastic pieces, but don't you worry about that. All right. That's pretty much it for the drive base. Pretty good at brain mount here. No battery mount. It's gonna go underneath there, trust. Um, and then let's go into the intake. So we got side rollers intake. So it's good for the what's it called? The loading stage. You know what I'm talking about, the loading thing. And it just power up 5.5 motors on a 1:2 ratio with sprockets, so 400 RPM, pretty good. And then it would just go into an intake ramp with some type of hood mech from last year. We're still trying to figure that out. But the first transfer is just onto compression wheels, and then it's gonna hopefully we're gonna figure out the rest of like the hood part later. But don't worry about that. This plastic piece is gonna be replaced. These ones will be replaced with like metal or something. But then we go onto the hood, which is another 1:2 ratio on a blue meter, so 1200 RPM. It's kind of autistic, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're probably gonna change that to 600, but don't you worry. And then literally all the things we'll do is all the little cubes will just go up on the conveyor on the system. Just pretend that was going up. And then they can score at this angle at the higher one, and then it can pivot to score in the lower one with this piston down here. It's gonna pivot. Trust the process. That is really steep. I don't think so. Don't worry about it. That is not how steep this is supposed to be. But we got some things to figure out. But basic design, pretty comfy. We'll we'll talk about it. We'll cook. Then we got the one tank down here, and that's pretty much it. This robot, we're gonna limit the plastic pieces, of course. This is just like how waste. These can be replaced by standoffs and all that. So our robot is hopefully gonna be light and can hold probably like 6 or 7 cubes. Kind of goaded. And that's the main goal reason. Though hopefully with the 600 RPM, we're just gonna be able to just like go from our loading station and like across the field just so fast. But mainly we wanted to score on the long goals because they give you more points. But we've seen a couple of videos on VCAD and Robolytics of people just ramming into the thing and all the cubes falling out. So that also might be the strat. But we're gonna do some testing. We'll improve on the CAD, make some other designs, and I'll be sharing them with you guys. So, anyways, that's just wanted to share a CAD. Hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.